Hello ma'am, may I know which editorials are worth going through in today's newspaper?
Yes, absolutely. There are two very important editorials in the Hindu newspaper today which are very important and relevant for UPSC examination perspective. Come, let's have a look. So the first editorial is unpacking the global happiness rankings. So this article discusses the World Happiness Report WHR 2025 and an annual publication by the Wellbeing Research Center at the University of Oxford in collaboration with Gallup and the UN Sustainable Development Solutions Network, released on World Happiness Day, which is March 20, and the report ranks 147 countries and which is based on the 3-year average of self-reported life evaluations and using 6 key indicators, which is GDP per capita, then social support, healthy life expectancy, freedom to make life choices, generosity and perception of corruption. Now this highlights the top ranking, which is Finland has topped the rankings for the 8th consecutive year, and their happiness score is 7.8, and which is followed by Denmark, which is second, Iceland third, Sweden fourth, and Netherlands fifth. Nordic and Western European countries dominate top 10 due to strong social trust and work-life balance and low corruption. Now the bottom rankings, Afghanistan ranks 147. Let us understand the UPSC relevance of this topic. So it is again, this topic is very important for UPSC. For prelims, GS paper 1 and GS paper 2. So there are factual recalls of questions on rankings and everything, and there are related context on links on UN's SDGs, etc. And for mains, again it is relevant for GS paper 2, which is governance and international relations, and GS paper 3, which is economy and inclusive growth. And for essay paper also, this is a very important report. And for interview, again, probing on policy example, why does India rank below Pakistan despite higher GDP? Such questions are asked. So again, it is very important. Now, the second editorial is the NH701A highways and ecological risk. Again, this article is very important because it is an opinion piece authored by Mr. A.M. Salim Beg, and it talks about different ecological vulnerabilities, and the route traverses fragile Himalayan landscapes, environmental clearance issues, and also social cultural impact. So this is the whole case, and this is a systematic evaluation which has been talked about in this article. Now let's understand the UPSC relevance of this article. It is very important for prelims in GS paper 1 and GS paper 2, and again for current affairs mapping also it is very important. And if you want a deeper analysis of these articles, please do watch our DNA video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.